Amid a political storm and statewide protests over the delayed disbursement of salaries for the month of August to government employees, the Himachal government yesterday credited the salaries of employees, marking an end to the salary woes of the government staff. However, this has not been enough to quell dissent. After employees, now those receiving pension from the government, took to the streets and protested outside of the Himachal Assembly. The pensioners are demanding to fix a date for releasing their pension, dearness allowance, arrears, and pending medical reimbursement. The Himachal government continues to maintain that rolling out salaries on the 5th and pensions on the 10th is the only feasible option for them.
फाइनेंशियल प्रूडेंस और फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन की पड़े हैं कि कोई सर्कल डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुआ। जो डिपार्टमेंट्स सरकारी विभाग उनकी सैलरीज को हमने डेफर किया 5 तारीख को और पेंशन को डेफर किया 10 तारीख को। और जितने भी कॉरपोरेशंस, यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है, बिजली बोर्ड है, हाउसिंग बोर्ड है, एचपी, सब जितने भी कॉरपोरेशन बोर्ड हैं उनकी सैलरी 1 तारीख को चलेगी। तो हमने कहा कि उसको सिस्टम को स्ट्रीमलाइनिंग करके और सिस्टम की ट्रेजरी को ठीक करके हम एक तो अगले महीने सैलरी जो पहले करें और पेंशन के मामले में विचार करें। और दूसरा ये है कि अपने जो 1 महीने का 30 करोड़ रुपया 7.5% के आरबीआई इंटरेस्ट जो है आरबीआई से जो लगाता है उसको भी ठीक करें।
Over 2 lakh employees have started crediting in their accounts, but the pensions are still pending, and that is the reason the protest has been staged here. On the pensioners are hitting on the roads, and basically they are from the specific department, that is HRTC. They have their several demands. They have their placards in their hands. Pradesh Sarkar hosh mein ho, pension ka samadhan karo. So these kinds of slogans have been raised by the pensioners. A huge number has been gathered here, and this is the evidence that when the pensioners or the employees are getting out on the roads for getting their financial benefits, this shows the state is suffering through the financial crunch. And this is another evidence. Though Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu has given the statement that by 10th of September the pension would be credited in the accounts of all the pensioners here in Himachal Pradesh, but they want to fix a single date from the side of the government that when the pension is going to get credit in their account, the way salaries are being released on the 1st of every month, and they are seeking one date of each month for their salary.